Rainbow Power Nozzle does a fantastic job at cleaning home carpeting, but there are some types of dirt and stains which the Power Nozzle cannot clean. We call this type of dirt non-vacuumable, and it includes such things as grease and oil, filled beverages, ketchup and mustard, mud, and pet stains. Fortunately, Rexair has designed a product that, when used with the Rainbow, will deep clean your carpet and remove the dirt and stains that the Rainbow alone cannot remove. That accessory is called the Aquamate. The Aquamate has been designed to work with the Rainbow to provide professional quality carpet shampooing right in your own home. By using the natural cleaning power of water, along with the Aquamate carpet cleaning solution, the Aquamate's wide-angle brush roll massages deep into carpet fibers for a thorough cleaning and rinsing. The Aquamate will clean, recondition, and deodorize your carpet, leaving it better than ever and smelling great. For a demonstration of the Aquamate, contact your local authorized Rainbow distributor. Remember, you can find out more about the Aquamate and other Rainbow products in the Rainbow Owner's Manual or at our website, rainbowsystem.com.